with lockdown finally over, we're back to doing what I love doing, which is climbing mountains. Big plans today, we're going to climb Helvellyn and a few of our friends camp at the Tarn first and finish the day off at Sandal. Nice little jaunt, about 18k. So because of the peg situation, I've had to put the rocks on top of the pegs, because there's obviously the pegs aren't going in deep enough to give me enough stability that I'd like. Brand new tent, obviously. This is my Nemo Dragonfly 1P. It's actually a brand new tent all round. Actually, Nemo have only just released this about a month ago. So I'm now going to get my mat up, get the bag, the sleeping bag, or the sleeping quilt out, and get ready for a cold night by the looks of it. Oh, it was bloody cold last night. Tent's got a layer of frost on it. I'm still shivering a bit, but it's a really easy indicator to show you how cold it was. That's the lake, it's frozen. You might have noticed there's no lock today, because we're doing Striding Edge and there's too many horror stories about people losing their dogs on Striding Edge. I decided to leave them at home, which is a good thing really, because last night he wouldn't have been happy with all that cold. Yeah, this is fun, this. I'm enjoying this. It makes you want to run. One false move and I'm down that cliff. Yeah, I'm fine. Let's go quite a little jump. There's a high pass, I'm taking that one. It's a tiny way down, like. See that? All there is what I've walked up. That's Striding Edge. This is the top of Helvellyn. Helvellyn, done. This is where I need lock. Jump on top of the trig point for us. View from up here is amazing. Let's see what we can see. I've got this app on my phone that points out peaks for me, which is quite nice. Aptly named Peak Finder. So that's where high street over there. From Sunday Crag, which is what we're going to be doing later on today. Crag, which we've already done. Let me see everything. As I'm walking off to my next mountain, I found this little plaque Nice little bit of history. Apparently the very first airplane to land on a mountain landed here, there. I think that's pretty cool. Especially considering we've been buzzed by the RAF all day. Amazing, eh? I can't imagine landing on this though. Comes balls of steel. Anyway, we're heading over here to our next mountain. This little trig here is my next point. It's Nethermost Pike. It's not a million miles away from Helvellyn, but it's still a point that I need to get to. And I believe the one over there is my next one after this as well. Thankfully all very close together. I can see why Arthur Wainwright picked this as one of his 214. That view is spectacular. That's the striding edge. That is nice. Hi Crag, it's not a Wainwright, it's not even on my list today, it's on my route, so I thought I'd take it anyway. So, done, let's go. So, the one we care about is this one here. It's called Dollywaggon Pike. And all I can think of was Dolly Mixtures. Dolly Mixture Pike. It's my next on my list. Looks quite a pretty mountain in fairness. That's where we're going now. Spectacular view, but quite unremarkable hill. Unfortunately, that one there is Sandal, and I've already lost quite a bit of height. I've got to lose all of that and to put it back on again. What a pain. Still, if it was easy, everyone would be doing it. Coming down that was harder than going up it. Awful. Ankles are knackered. And I've still got to climb that. Bloody hell. Sandal, right here. It's not the same without luck. Interesting point though, this one behind me here is Fairfield. I'll link my video to that one in the description. But I think that's it for me today. Coming down Dollywaggon has really knocked my ankle in, and on the way up here I slipped and almost punched the ground. So I think that is a sign for me to call it a day. This route can be split up here anyway, and it ends in Patterdale, so I can easily do it at Patterdale, bring the mutt, and we can do the last three together, which would be nice. It's not the same without them. So we'll call it number 5, and we'll head back to the car. So as I head off into the distance there, I want to thank you all for watching. I'm getting close to the 70 subscriber mark now, And I got gushy over 25, what, 3 videos ago. The channel's growing faster than I ever anticipated. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers guys, bye bye.